Hi DIYers, welcome back to 8051 Hardware and Software Programming under the OFW Profile DIY Learning. In this video, I would like to make a clarification in the use and application of the 8051 microcontroller here in episode 11. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. Hi, it's Ferdinand here, and for those guys who contacted me and provide their personal feedback based on watching episode 1 to 10, thank you very much. So here we go guys, this is the clarification. The subject matter that I'm discussing here, the Intel 8051 microcontroller, it do not have a DSP or digital signal processing. I can guess what you're looking for. Probably you are looking for this kind of DSP, this one in here. So the function of this DSP is used for splitting the audio spectrum into the low end and into the high end. By the way, this is a line array power amplifier. It is a class D power amplifier. If you take out the module, it will look like this. It is really a dedicated module used for high-performance active filters used in professional audio. I know guys that many of you are looking for this and to use software for audio filtering. But I'm really sorry to tell you that this is not the case of the 8051 microcontroller that I'm discussing here. I apologize for not explaining very clearly from day one of starting the tutorial. I think probably the source of confusion is because I speak Filipino language, Tagalog in most of the episode. Ini-display natin si LCD ngayon. Ito ang aking naisip na i-display ngayon. So let me correct that. So from now on, in this episode 11 and moving forward, it will be all in English language. Let's go back to square one. I have shown in the previous episode how to use the 8051 microcontroller in relation to my favorite hobby, DIY amplifier build, which I use the MCU for displaying man-machine interface or MMI on a 20x4 LCD. You may like to watch episode 10. It shows here that the MCU to control the power on off switch, the relay, and later on as we go on, it will control the fan, detect temperature of the heatsink, and other function. So in my case, I mainly use the MCU for monitoring, displaying, controlling, and make a fast logic decision like turning off the power supply via the relay if needed. By bulking the logic and the decision on software, instead of designing the logic using a flip-flop or LM555 timer, which is a hardware-based, software programming is easier and faster to implement, and of course, it is less cost. Before we go on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you might consider subscribing if you are following my tutorial on the 8051 software programming, and of course on Arduino, my blog, and my adventure and travel, a lean body project, and of course my DIY project in electronics. Guys, I understood that my fellow DIYers in the audio amplifier build comes with innovative imagination, and they wanted the DIY way as a good and professional way, or even better, like having a DSP for their own use, but the process are entirely different. Let's see. Way back on the DNY40 Class AB power amplifier design, here I use an 851 derivative to control the power on-off of the project, and I will make a power on-off switch LED blinking as a means of man-machine interface, a communication between the amplifier and the user. With the use of a blinking LED or sounds like signaling, it serves as a confirmation when you push a switch that can be similar to a DTMF tone or vibration when you are dialing on your smartphone. Of course, as you study MCU application, you will be progressing and be able to interface RF modules like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module and be able to interface of remote control like the mobile phone and the common air interface. Let's see it. So these are the simple application of the 8051 MCU with regards to DIY amplifier build, which can make your favorite hobby more fun, challenging, adventurous, looks better than the DIY of others. Isn't it that great? I mean, having to know hardware and software is 1% better design and technical know-how than the others. So, cheers guys, and keep on learning, improving your DIY hobby. I hope I am clear now for the use and application of our 8051 MCU with respect to the DIY amplifier build, my favorite hobby and your favorite hobby as well. Bye for now and thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.